I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again. Jeff Sessions is a backwards man living in his own backwards world. And he's about to become the next Attorney General for the United States. His confirmation hearings start on January 10th of 2017, and if he's confirmed, that means he'll be the head of the Department of Justice, which is the federal bureaucratic agency that sets the tone for law enforcement across the country. If you're like me, then you know that Jefferson Beauregard Sessions III was nominated to serve as a federal judge by the Reagan administration back in 1986. But when his former colleagues came forward with accusations of racially charged and otherwise prejudiced comments, the Republican-led Senate Judiciary Committee rejected his nomination. You know, because judges are supposed to be impartial and unbiased. Now, let's flash forward to 2017, where President-elect Donald Trump has nominated this crusty old veteran of Washington politics to become Attorney General. Maybe you saw this. The president of the NAACP, Cornell Wm tweeted his dissent. It says, "The NAACP and Alabama NAACP are occupying the Mobile office of Jeff Sessions until he withdraws as a AG nominee or we're arrested." Sessions has not yet withdrawn. The protesters were arrested, but the NAACP does not stand alone in their dissent. In addition to his apparent racial bias, Sessions has a definitive bias against marijuana consumers. A quick Google search of Sessions marijuana will give you the full story and all the backwards comments he's made about marijuana and the people who use it. And so, drug reform advocacy organizations like the Drug Policy Alliance and NORML are standing with the NAACP in opposition to Jeff Sessions. Here's the current banner on the drugpolicy.org website. Stop the Jeff Sessions nomination. He was picked to be the next Attorney General, and if confirmed, will bring back militarized Reagan-era drug war tactics and raids on marijuana businesses. You can go to drugpolicy.org right now, click on this web banner to send a message to your senator urging him or her to oppose the nomination of Jeff Sessions. And I also wanted to share this with you from normal.org. Normal puts out a yearly congressional report card that rates each member of Congress and their favorability toward marijuana reform. Sessions, as you might guess, got a straight F. You can see that on each one of these votes, he's listed as NA, but that just means that he didn't have the opportunity to vote on those bills for whatever reason. But he definitely deserves an F for the comment that's listed here on his report card. You have to have leadership from Washington. You can't have the President of the United States of America talking about marijuana. You are sending a message to young people that there is no danger in this process. It is false that marijuana use doesn't lead people to more drug use. It is already causing a disturbance in the states that have made it legal. I'm not sure if you can tell by my demeanor or not, but I'm trying really hard not to freak out about this guy. I'm doing my very best to stay optimistic, armed with the knowledge that more than half the states in this country have some form of legal access to marijuana, whether it's recreational or medical. Let's oppose this guy right now. He's unfit to be AG because his biases put him in direct opposition to current American sentiment. And if he is indeed confirmed, let's continue to oppose him. People in positions of power and influence need to continually ride this guy so that we don't end up in his backwards world right there with him. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you'll probably want to go check out this NBC News report from back when Sessions was rejected as a federal judge. Go check it out. I bet you'll like it.